Hello children, myself Princey Christian. So today we're gonna begin our first topic in GK, that is old versus new. So let's begin. Many cities, states and countries have changed their old names. Write the new names by choosing the correct answer from the box given below. Now what we have to do, we have been given the names of the places. There are the old names and we have to write the new names. Let's begin. First one is Decca. The new name of Decca is Dhaka. So in the first line I will write Dhaka. Decca, Dhaka. Number 2, Bombay. The new name of Bombay is Mumbai. So in the second line I will write Mumbai. Bombay, Mumbai. Number 3, Ceylon. Ceylon, the new name of Ceylon is Sri Lanka. Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Number 4, Burma. Burma is now known as Myanmar. So in the fourth line I will write Myanmar. Let's repeat again. Dhaka, Dhaka. Bombay, Mumbai. Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Burma, Myanmar. Number 5, Constantinople, which is now known as Istanbul. Number 6, Calcutta, which is now known as Kolkata. Number 7, Madras, now known as Chennai. Number 8, Orissa, now known as Odisha. Number 9, Persia, now known as Iran. Number 10, Siam, now known as Thailand. Number 11, Peking, which is now known as Beijing. Number 12, Patliputra, which is now known as Patna. Let us recall all the names again. Decca, Dhaka. Bombay, Mumbai. Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Burma, Myanmar. Constantinople, Istanbul. Calcutta, Kolkata. Madras, Chennai. Orissa, Odisha. Persia, Iran. Siam, Thailand. Peking, Beijing. Patliputra, Patna. Now beginning the next topic, topic 2, around the world. From the pictures given below, identify the famous explorers and the countries or places they discovered or explored. Here we have been given the pictures of some famous explorers. We have to write their name and also the places or thing they have discovered. Look at the first picture. In the first picture it is James Cook. Who is James Cook? James Cook is the person who discovered the Hawaiian Islands. First one is James Cook. He discovered the Hawaiian Islands. Look at the next picture. Next picture is of Vasco da Gama. What did Vasco da Gama discover? He discovered the sea route to India. Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Number 3rd picture, look at it. It is the picture of Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus discovered Central America. Christopher Columbus discovered Central America. Last image is of Marco Polo, who discovered China. Marco Polo discovered China. Next exercise, answer the following question. Here we have been given some questions and we have to write the answer of it. Number 1, name the Chinese scholar who visited India and stayed at the court of Harshvardhana. So there was this Chinese scholar who visited India and he stayed at the court of Harshvardhana. His name was Yun Sang. The spelling will be H-I-U-E-N, Yun, T-S-A-N-G, Sang, Yun Sun. Next, number 2. He was the first man to reach the South Pole. Here we are talking about a person who was the first person ever to reach the South Pole. His name was Roald Amundsen. His name was Roald Amundsen. Number 3. He was a Chinese scholar who visited India during 399 to 440 AD in search of Buddhist books. Now there is this Chinese scholars who came to India in search of Buddhist books around the period of 399 to 414 AD. His name is Fa Hien. The spelling will be F-A Fa H-I-E-N. Yen. Fa Yen. Number 4. Name the 7 continents of the world. It is very easy. We have to name the 7 continents. Which are the 7 continents? The 7 continents of the world are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, North America and South America. Again we will read from the beginning. The first picture about James Cook. He discovered Hawaiian Islands. Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Christopher Columbus discovered Central America. And Marco Polo discovered China. Next was the question answers. Name the Chinese scholar who visited India and stayed at the court of Harshvardhana. Yun Sang. He was the first man to reach the South Pole. Roald Amundsen. He was a Chinese scholar who visited India during 399 to 440 AD in search of Buddhist books. Fa Hien. Name the 7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, North America and South America. Now next topic number 3, places in news. Here are the names of some places which have been in news during the past few years. Read the clues given below and complete the names of these places. Now what is here? Here we have been given some clues about some places. We have to crack that clue and we have to write the name of the place. Number 1. This city is the capital of newly found state of Chhattisgarh. It is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Which is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Raipur. So the spelling will be R-A-I-P-U-R, Raipur. Number 2. Also known as Saket, this ancient city is the birthplace of Lord Rama and the backdrop for setting of Ramayana. You have got the biggest hint that it is the birthplace of Lord Rama. Which is the birthplace of Lord Rama? Ayodhya. Second one is Ayodhya. The spelling will be A-Y-O-D-H-Y-A. Ayodhya. Number 3. This small town in Hooghly district was in news because of the proposed construction of the nano factory of Tata Motors. This town is called Singur. The spelling is S-I-N-G-U-R. Singur. Number 4. This state in eastern India was carved out of the southern part of Bihar on 15th November 2000. So on 15th November 2000, this part of the eastern India and the southern part of Bihar was carved out, बिहार का एक पार्ट जो अलग कर दिया गया था on 15th November 2000, which is known as Jharkhand. The spelling will be Jharkhand, Jharkhand. Number 5. Formerly known as Taj Expressway, this 6-lane 165 km long controlled access expressway connects Greater Noida with Agra in Uttar Pradesh. So this is an expressway which connects Greater Noida with Agra in Uttar Pradesh. It is 6-lane and 165 km long controlled access expressway, which is also known as the Taj Expressway. So it is the Yamuna Expressway. YAMUNA, Yamuna. EXPRESS Express, WAY Way, Yamuna Expressway. Last one, number 6. A new state formed out of the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. So from the Andhra Pradesh state, a new state has been formed, which is known as Telangana. The spelling will be TELANGANA. Telangana is a new state which was carved out of the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. Look at the fact bite. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link, officially called Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link, links Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with Worli in South Mumbai. We will again repeat it what we learnt about the places in news. This city is the capital of the newly found state of Chhattisgarh, which is known as Raipur. Number 2, also known as Saket, this ancient city is the birthplace of Lord Rama and the backdrop for setting Ramayana. The place is Ayodhya. Number 3, this small town in Hooghly district was in news because of the proposed construction of the nano factory of Tata Motors. This place is Singur. This state in eastern India was carved out of the southern part of Bihar on 15th November 2000. The place is Jharkhand. Number 5. Formerly known as Taj Expressway, this 6-lane 165 km long controlled access expressway connects Greater Noida with Agra in Uttar Pradesh, which is known as Yamuna Expressway. Lastly, number 6. A new state formed out of the state of Andhra Pradesh in India, known as Telangana. So children, this was all in today's video. Your today's homework is to complete topic 1, topic 2 and topic 3 in your GK textbook. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.